come on, man. Like,
well, no, she happened to be here because we got a call, like some pounding on the door or something from one of the neighbors. Is everything good or? Hey, turn around, face me real quick. Hey, what do you got in your pants? Let me see your hands. Seriously, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Out. Come here. Get down here now. Let me see your hand. Don't reach for that. Do not reach for that. Do not reach. Drop. Shots fired. I've been hit, dude. Get out.
Shots fired. We need cars to our location.
Cars to East Rochester location. I'm looking up their location now. What's your car number?
904. Shots fired. Black man with a gun. I've been hit. I don't know if it's in my vest.
Location again?
Let me see your hands. (904). He appears to be down, but still moving. Let me see your hands. Let me see. Throw the gun out. Throw the gun out. Throw the gun out. No. Throw the gun out. Throw the gun out. Throw the gun out. Get down on your face. Down on your face. Hands out. Hands out. Get your hands out. Other hand out.
Edward, I'm in red. Shots fired.
Do not move. Do not move. Do not move.
Any suspects outstanding?
Where are you hit?
Negative.
I'm in my check. Listen, you know.
Do not move.
We're in the back.
709 Garfield. Dude, right here. You're going by and pass. Don't wait for them to get here. Do not move. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. We're good. Come here. Go upstairs. Yes, he pulled the gun on me. Go back. Back. Keep it. Don't move. Do not move. Do not move. Do not move. Do not move. Come here, move it. Hands. Hands. Yeah, give me your other hand.
No, you don't gotta do that. I got you.
Cuff him, please.
I wanna live.
There's the gun right there. Right there on the ground. I got hit. I don't know if I'm hit, but something hit me in the vest.
I wanna live. I don't got no problem.
Jerry!
Officer, I wanna live.
I need you to come with me. Stay with him. You got it? I'm going to check you out. Bolster up. I got him.
Officer, I wanna live.
610, I got one in custody. Jerry!
One more.
It's all right.
My little girl is upstairs.
I got to check you. Come here. Come to my car. Hey! No, I stopped him. Wait. Yeah, we'll bring him out.
I'm too old for this shit, dude.